Hey everyone, today I'm going to be sharing my brand new camera that I purchased a while ago, which is the Sony ZV-E10 camera. Along with the camera, I got a couple of other goodies in the bundle, which is the Sony grip, remote control, and handheld that I got with it. The model is GP-VPT2BT, which is quite a mouthful. And I also purchased an SD card with it. You don't get the SD card with. I didn't get the SD card with this when I purchased it. Now a little bit about the SD card. It's 128 GBs. It's by SanDisk, which is owned by Western Digital. I did an earlier review of the Western Digital external hard drive. It also comes with a 2-year Rescue Pro Deluxe software. So in case you lose your data on your card, you can use the software to recover that, which is really cool. And one small thing that I noticed over here is the Pakistani flag on the holographic sticker that I have over here, which is really cool. I got this for about 5,500 PKR. Okay. So the next thing that I just want to quickly go over is the grip. Now it's a really good grip that you can use with the camera, and it's completely adjustable. Not only can you use it as a grip, you can also use it as a remote control. It connects via Bluetooth, and you can control all the functions of your camera through the grip when you're holding it and you're shooting outdoors. The second thing is it also has two legs that which can be used as a tripod stand, and you can also use this camera as a webcam when you're having your Zoom session, so it comes in pretty handy. It has a battery at the back. That's where it goes, and it's pretty cool. All right. Now coming back, what's in the box? What are the things that you get when you purchase this one? This is the one that I purchased is Pakistani variant. The other variants that are out there is the international variant. Okay, one more thing that I quickly forgot was with the grip, you really get this nice case within which you can store it. All right. Okay, so when you purchase Pakistani variant, you get your international warranty card, which has the names and addresses of all the shops where you can go to claim your warranty and get it repaired if anything goes bad. And what comes included in the box is the Sony strap, which I think is pretty cool. All right, so here you have your Sony strap. The next thing that you get is, so this is a power brick that you get with it. You get yourself a USB-C cable, and this is a power cord. So you have to connect these three together, and the battery has to be inside the camera when you can charge it. There's no option for you to charge it externally. One of the other differences, let me go ahead and tell you the difference between the Pakistani variant that I got and the international variant. As you can see, there was no paperwork included in the Pakistani variant, whereas in the international variant, you get the user manual and so on. The second thing is you get about 3 power cords. Okay, so depending on where you're located, like I believe one cord was a 2-plug US version, the other one was a 3-plug EU version, and the third one was a UK variant. So you get 3 power cords, which you don't get in the Pakistani version. Okay, one more thing that you don't get is the SD card. Normally you get a 128 GB SD card that I had to purchase separately for 5,500, which comes included in the bundle. Okay, and now looking at the battery that we have over here, this is an NP-FW50, and this is about 1020 milliamperes, 1020 milliamperes. Okay, if you want to get a separate battery, which is always a good idea, because if you're filming outdoors and you're running out of juice, you can simply just swap the battery and continue filming. So the price for an external battery was about 12,000 rupees, which was a bit too much for me. So I'm gonna hold on till I purchase another battery. Okay, the last thing that comes with it is this windscreen. Okay, so if you're filming outdoors and there's a lot of wind, so you get a lot of wind distortion into your recordings. In order for you to get rid of that distortion, you get this wind filter, which is also known as a dead cat or a dead cat. Dead cat or a dead rabbit. I don't think PETA would approve of the terminologies that are being used, but it's just what it's called, and no animals were harmed in the process of this. Okay, so coming down to the main event, we have the camera here. So let me talk a little bit about the pricing for this and the other options that you might have in the Pakistani market that you might want to go for. So this one, when I purchased it in November 2021, I purchased it as a gift for myself, you know, and to be able to make better videos. The price was reasonably less, and I got the Sony grip that I showed you earlier in the video with it for free. Right now, you can only get this for about 170K, which is about 30K more that I paid for the camera initially when I purchased it during its launch. Okay, and this for 170K, it does not come with the grip. If you want to purchase the grips, the Sony grip separately, it's gonna cost you another 30K. Okay, and there are two variants to it. You can buy the kit body, or you can buy it with the kit lens. I would suggest that you buy it with the kit lens. It depends on your preference, and also if you are a professional photographer and if you already have a few lenses with you that you can attach onto it. Keep in mind that for the Sony, you need E-mount compatible lenses. Okay, that is compatible with this version. So I would suggest that you go with the lens, because when I purchased it in the bundle, it costed me like 10-15K extra for the lens. And if you buy this lens separately in the Pakistani market, it's going to cost you 30K or so plus. So it's better that you purchase it with the lens if you don't already have lenses. Again, it's at the user's discretion, the buyer's discretion, if they already have lenses like Tamron and so on, and if they want to go for it or not. Okay, so yeah. The other options that are available in the market is the Canon M50, which is very popular, and I believe it is less in price. It's about 140, 150 if I'm not mistaken. The prices also fluctuate depending on the market. The other one that you can purchase is the Sony A6400, which is a really good camera. Okay, so why did I go with the Sony camera? Okay, I was really interested in buying the ZV-E10 camera when it first came out. But as you're aware, it does not come with the interchangeable lenses. So what I can do is I can buy any E-mount Sony lenses and I can attach that, which is a really cool and unique feature to this. Okay, so what are the few things that are missing that should be on this camera? The first thing that I noticed is there's no EVF or electronic viewfinder. So that's one thing that is missing over here. Okay, and the second thing is this camera is pretty lightweight and the grip is really good. One of the reasons why it's so lightweight and it's not bulky is that it does not have the body image stabilization that comes with the A6400 and other cameras. This is a mid-tier, budget-friendly camera for people like me who are just starting out, who are not that great. So this is a beginner's camera and the best one for the budget. One of the other two things that's different from the ZVE1 and on the ZVE10 is the flaps that it comes with are pretty good. They're more durable and reliable. They're much more better in quality in terms of the ZVE1. So let's just go over the ports that are there on here. Over here you have your microphone jack. So if you want to connect it to an external microphone, Rodeo or Sony microphones, you can do that. The second is it comes with a USB-C port. So if you have a power bank and if you have a USB-C cable, you can charge your battery. Okay, that's also one thing that you can do. It also comes with a mini HDMI port. Unfortunately, the cable was not included in the box. You're gonna have to buy this separately. Last, it comes with a headphone jack. So while you're filming outdoors and you wanna listen to the audio quality, you can just connect your headphones and listen to the quality there itself. All right. So it doesn't come with any EVF. It doesn't come with body image stabilization. I think that's just about the two things that are missing on it. The lens that it comes with a 1650 lens. It has a power zoom feature. This lens is about 8 to 12 years old, and it's one of the better lenses that Sony has, and is still in production. Okay, so over here you can see you can attach any E-mount compatible lenses to it. My ideal camera would be the Sony A7S with a G Master lens 2570 or 2580. That would be my ideal one, if not for the Sony A1. Anyways, hopefully the day will come when I'll purchase one of those. Okay, the second thing is you have your hot shoe over here. It has 3 built-in microphones, which are really cool. You have your on and off button, you have your zoom in, zoom out, you have your background custom one button, which is also used as an background auto defocus button. You have your SNQ for slow and quick, so it can record up to, okay, so let's talk about the camera and the specs. So this is a 24.2 megapixel camera. It is an APS-C mirrorless camera, and it has about, I'm forgetting how many focal point it has, so it's really good. Okay, so you can record up to 4K 30 frames per second, or you can go up to 120 frames in 1080p, which is really cool. Over here you have your jog dial, pretty tactile feedback. You also have your product showcase button over here, so it takes hardly a second, you know, to focus on a product. You don't have to put your hand in front of the product for the camera to focus on that, so that's pretty cool. One other thing is it has a sideways tilt screen, which is really cool. So if you attach your dead cat on the top over here, and in comparison to the other cameras that have their screen tilting upwards, it's going to block your view, so that's really cool. It flips from the side, and you can tilt it backwards and forward, which is pretty cool. And when you begin recording, it also shows you a red outline over here to let you know that you're recording and so on, so that's pretty cool. So that's pretty much it from my side for now. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to read and reply back to them. If you want me to make a follow-up video on the grip, or in detail or in-depth review for the camera, do let me know. I'll be more than happy to share that with you. For now, this is me signing out. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Take care, stay safe. Ciao.